Let's make the most colorful and cheeky Easter bubble tea that you have ever seen. This is so fun to make together with kids, family, friends, a loved one, or alone. And by the way, you can add or change anything you want to this recipe. This is just some Easter inspiration. The ingredients for this recipe are banana flavor powder, creamer, tapioca pearls, rose and lychee cream foam, melted pistachio chocolate, and Easter chocolate decoration. First, you prepare your tapioca pearls and rose and lychee cream foam, as those take the longest to prepare. Watch our other YouTube video on how to make tapioca pearls and read our recipe on how to make cream foam in the link in the description of this video. To start, we take a glass or a cup and add 200 ml of hot water. Then we add 3 scoops of banana flavor powder. You can mix and match flavors here if you want to add vanilla or strawberry to this. Just make sure you don't exceed the limit of 3 scoops. Then add 1 scoop of creamer. You can make this vegan by using our vegan creamer. And if you want to make it more sweet, you can add sugar syrup to it. But as this will turn out quite sweet already, we are not using any. Now let's give it a good mix and add some ice to make it cold. Let's add a generous amount of tapioca pearls, and then let's take our rose and lychee cream foam and put a thick layer on top. Then we drizzle some of our pistachio chocolate on top. This adds a bit of saltiness to the drink, which balances out the sweetness very nicely. And then lastly, we add some chocolate decorations on top. We used mini eggs, but you can use whatever chocolate you want. And there you have it. You cannot tell me this isn't Easter in a glass. Look at how the colors fully align with the little Easter tree in the back. It is so satisfying and cute. Happy Easter, everyone. Whether you celebrate it or not, enjoy your day and have fun by yourself or with friends and family. At Taipec, we're here to help you create the perfect bubble tea experience. Follow us for more tips and tricks on bubble tea on our YouTube channel or on our TikTok page. Have a good day.